Oh Lord, I don't have all the answers, but I'm still here, still calling your name. The weight on my shoulders feels heavier every day. I've been smiling in public while falling apart on the way. These tears keep on falling like rivers that never end. I've been asking you questions again and again and again. The nights feel so lonely, the silence is hard to survive. Some days I keep wondering how I made it this far alive. But somewhere inside me, a whisper remains. Though my heart feels shattered, I'm still praying. When I don't have strength, when I don't understand, when I can't see tomorrow, I still reach for your hand. I'm broken but still praying, still calling on your name. Though the storm keeps raging, I know you're still the same. My tears fall like rain, but my faith remains. Every scar, every pain, I'm broken, but still praying. The people I trusted have slowly walked away. The dreams that I carried seems farther every day. I battled anxiety, I wrestled with fear. Sometimes I feel forgotten, but somehow you're still here. You hear every heartbeat, you count every tear that falls. You stay when everybody leaves, you answer when I call. this is all I have left, then let this prayer be enough. Because even though I'm broken, I still believe. Amen.